Hello. Hi, everyone. So, because the audience are Israeli, so I don't have to explain what is Naki. So let's jump into what Naki is doing. So we are helping the world to achieve the global goal of zero emission by 2050. And to do that, we are doing that because we would like to stop to using fossil jet fuel and start to use sustainable aviation fuels. And it's a big challenge because today the world producing only 8 million tons of sustainable aviation fuel. And to achieve the global goal, we need 450 million by 2050. It means that we need a lot of raw materials for that. So at Naki, we believe that the solution can come from the food industry because the food industry left behind a lot of waste. And every factory that's using we are here. Every factory that's using fats or oil at the process, when they clean the factory, they have a lot of sludge that mainly delivering to disposal. The amount are huge, and the industry investing over $60 billion every year for disposal in a traditional ways like landfill, composting, and incineration. But we believe at Naki that we can find a different solution, a solution that can really reuse the material. And that's why we developed a technology that with a chemical reaction at the room temperature on site at the food industry himself, we can convert the sludge to be a new product. A water that giving back to the factory, the protein we are delivering to biogas, and the fats delivering to the sustainable aviation fuel. To every refinery all over the world can get this kind of oil and use for that to produce sustainable aviation fuel. We validated our quality of the product with a key industry leader like Doral, Cargill, Montana Renewables, and a few other more, and we certified by the ISCC. So we created a new circular economy model and giving the opportunity to the food industry, stop paying for the waste and start to earn money on the waste that they have. To the refinery, and every refinery and biorefinery, we are offering local raw material based on waste in a really attractive price. 2024, we validated our technology here in Israel in the lab, and I'm happy to share here in the first time, which we just finalized our pre-seed round 1.8. It was really hard during the war, believe me. And we signed the first commercial agreement here in Israel with Granot, and we'll build, we actually already under construction, the first commercial site. And we, in the end of the year, we will start to supply products to the companies at the pipeline that already confirm the quality of the products. It's not part of our business model, but it's really important. Every ton of oil that we are producing, we are saving 20 tons of CO2. The company lead out of time? Cool. Okay. So, one important message. We are not going to change the global warming. That's right. But definitely we're going to change the way how the food industry disposal, taking care about the waste that they have. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Brock. We have time for a very, very short question.
We can do it next time.
No?
All the way from Texas. You have to.
So my question is, you showed us the difference in price, right, between your crude and the crude,
Yeah,
fossil
that's
crude.
right.
So, but then the next steps are refining and upgrading that crude. How does that margin, does that margin still stay, or what does the final cost look like?
So because you're a professional, I can talk to you in a professional way. So we have, our product, it's totally similar, like high FFA used cooking oil. So you can take it and doing hydrocracking. This is one way to produce it, SAF, or you can do a biofuel or biodiesel or renewable diesel and then distill it to SAF. And the quality is already approved. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Brock.